Welcome. In this video I will show you how to enable or disable subtitles on your XIAOMI F Pro TV. First of all, navigate to Settings by going to the gear icon on the side of your TV, then go to Accessibility tile, and here select Subtitle, which is the first option, and turn them on by pressing the select button over subtitle feature. Then you can adjust your subtitles, having a preview on the right side of your TV. You can change this text settings, so the size, the color, the font, the edge style, and the background, the window background, and all the other subtitle settings. You can also reset settings if you want to start anew by selecting the last option on this list. And besides, in the same accessibility menu, you can also enable Alexa subtitles and also adjust them in the same way. And so that's basically how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.